Nyumba ya Ndagitari Hamisi Ali Juma, umwe wa arigitani 50 akuma guku bururi-ini aria matumirwo ni thirikari bururi-ini wa Cuba kuongerera mathomo ikirite kieha na kigiriko kurumira gikuo kia murigitani uyu uri urakorirwo akuite nyumba-ini iria araikaraga muciini munene wa Cuba, Havana.
I'm the one who look for scholarship.
Kuringana na andu a nyumba yake, Hamisi akoretwo agitetia thirikari imucokie guku bururi-ini kumana na moritu maria akoretwo akigerera bururi-ini wa kuraya hamwe na arunake.
He had complained to me and he said that they're experiencing a lot of difficulties. The payment which they're getting is not what they were being told that they'll get, and there was a lot of mistreatment. He was talking a lot, and in fact he had decided that enough is enough and he's coming back.
Kuringana na Ndagitari Hassan Ahmed Mkuche, uria ni wa nyumba ya Mutigairi, wiguano uria wekiraniirwo ni bururi wa Kenya na bururi wa Cuba iguru rigi ucenjania wa arigitani uri na gatithia Hamisi akoretwo akiguoyohio ni ekubutwo wira agitiganiria mubango ucio.
Doctors in Kenya who are in Cuba should be repatriated back to the country because there is no assurance of their welfare. And once they're back in the country, they can undertake those causes that they're undertaking. Family medicine is available in the country. It's a 4-year program in a number of institutions.
Hamisi uria ni muru wa nyina na mubunge wa Likoni Mishiboko arakorirwo akuite ari nyumba gwake ngingo yake iri njohe na rithu undu uria uratumeciririo ni kwiyuraga areyuragire.
But that is a lie, because even for them up to now, they don't have any kind of report regarding the cause of the deaths. So we are waiting for an official report from the Minister of Health, then we will know the cause of the death.
Ona kuri uguo thirikari ni iraneirio thuthuria ni wambikitwo gukurana kiria kiracungiriire gikuo giake. Kuringana na ndumiriri iria irekereirio ni Minister wa ugima wa mwili Cecily Kariuki anyitanire na Gavana wa Mombasa Ali Hassan Joho, thirikari ya Cuba ni irathuthuria gikuo kiu na uthuthuria uyu gitabanagio ni turoria muingi utige gutamburukia ndeto itari cia manenda-ini cio kinyaniria. O kahinda-ini o kau arigitani othe aria mari bururi-ini wa Cuba ni matumeire kamiti ya bunge igi ugima wa mwiri marua magitetania uria matiganeirio ni thirikari mubango-ini ucio kuona ona marihi maria mereirwo ni kiroto. Ndumiriri ino iria ikiritwo kirore ni arigitani othe guku bururi-ini aria mari bururi-ini wa Cuba yugite turabatara guthaitirwo na ihenya uria kwahoteka, kwaga uguo hatiri bata wa guthie na mbere na mubango uyu. Maundu maria maratetia muno ni garama ya muturire, wikaro na kwaga umiranu wa wira uria mararuta.